Hello everyone, I'm Valentin, and in this video I'm going to show you something that make a big difference in my life, personal and professional. A few months ago I've built a personal CMS in Airtable. This CMS track different aspects of my personal and professional life, and it's organized around the concept of daily notes and weeks. So there is notes, tasks, tracking habits, tracking expense, tools, billing, attachment, etc. And recently, I've connected this CMS to Claude with a custom MCP server I've built and designed to be fast and token efficient. And the result is just incredible. Let me show you. So first, I'm going to ask Claude, write down a note about good video demo practice, link it to my daily note, and add a task for tomorrow. Read the note. So what we are going to see is first, he finds the right topic for my request because all my notes and content are linked with the topic. So he found the good topic. Now he's creating the note. We can see that the note has been created and adding to my daily notes. And now he creates the tasks. So the tasks has been created, review and apply video demo best practice. If I open my task video demo, it's this one for tomorrow. So it's filled the request with just a few tools and very fast. Now let me show you how it helped me to get insights from my data. So just a simple question: how has my productivity evolved since July? So one more time is using the white tools, so get weeks for July and for August, plus get billing by month, get tools, and is ready to provide a report about my productivity evolution. So about tasks, about health, about finance, about tool and technical growth, knowledge, and provide insights. It's very valuable. So just I want to keep it. So please add it to my daily notes. So he's going to create a note. So basically what happened is that a note to be created should be linked to a topic. It forgot, so it get topic and create the note. And the note has been successfully created with the right topic. That's all for this demo. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you find it useful, do not hesitate to send me a message. I will be very happy to discuss, and I wish you a very good day. Bye.